What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Jahart, the queen of irritation, and I am back for another video. Y'all, I'm just always getting irritated. I don't know what the fuck it is. Like, I'm just always getting irritated. I don't know what it is. The first thing that's just irritating, like, I was about to come home after work. I'm off tomorrow. I was about to, just chill, relax, test this new makeup. Phone came. Want to know why y'all not on it? Is because the adapter piece they gave to me isn't the one that works for my camera. Like, are you fucking kidding me? So I just had to spend for another amount of money that I really don't have time to be spending on a mic. For today's video, I'm about to be testing some new makeup, y'all. New to me, new makeup I've never tried ever. But it's probably like some of this is like just came out and other products have like came out already, but they're new to me. And I mean, so yeah, you guys, if that's something that you guys want to get into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you will not be disappointed in my future uploads. And also hit that bell notification too to be notified for my future uploads. And give this video a big thumbs up because it helps. It helps, y'all. It helps. And with that being said, let's just get into this video, y'all.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your
First thing I'm about to start off with my brows, as always, and my brows actually do need to be plucked. Real quick, let me pluck them and let me fill in my brows, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I moved you guys in just a little bit, and since my brows are done, we're about to get on to the face. I'm going to apply the Benefit Professional Primer. I had this primer for like 2 years, y'all. Okay, guys, for foundation today, I'm going to take the LANCOME Tint Idol Foundation. I am in the color 435 Biscuit Warm. I'm going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, about like 2 pumps. Wow. Okay, and just dot this all over my face. Like my nose is like the tell it all. Like, it tells me if a foundation is good or not. Y'all, this foundation was $48. I felt bougie buying it, so I'm not even gonna lie. It's my first like really high-end foundation. Y'all, I matched this myself. Like, nobody matched it. The lady did not match me. Cause them artists, y'all. I didn't get this from Sephora, I got this from Macy's, but them artists at them stores like don't be knowing how to match me. So I'm about to match myself. I match myself here, and this is a good match. This is a good match. Like, what the hell? Yes. Jay. I thought this was supposed to be like a full coverage foundation. Is this the right one? Tint Idol Ultra Wear. Transfer reason, all that. What the fuck? It's supposed to be all that. So what the fuck is going on? It was a good match. I really matched myself really good. Is this foundation full coverage? Where is it? Where is the coverage, y'all? Where? Alright, I'm gonna take one pump on one side of my face. Maybe they'll do it. Maybe they'll do something. Okay, y'all, so I have the foundation applied. I literally had to do 1, 2, like 5 pumps to actually get into my desired coverage, which is full coverage. Because me using this with the sponge, because I was just talking to my friend Nico Sincerely Nico here on YouTube. He just told me like me using a sponge is not going to give me that full coverage that I wanted. But my dumb self, I was literally just like, why didn't I use a brush too? Like, you know, one half brush, one half sponge, like, you know. But it turned out pretty good. I had to use a couple pumps, but this foundation, $48, y'all. $48, okay? But yeah, so let's move on. So for concealer today, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, which they now come in 30 shades. So y'all should definitely go try those out. In the shade Tan, and I'm about to just apply that. Okay, let's try medium tan. Let's try that. I'm about to let that sit and bake a little bit. That, you know, this little trick that everybody learned from the drag queens and that are like, you know, they're just now using it. If y'all wondering what I'm doing, I'm leaning my fat ass against the wall. I'm about to just go a little bit brighter up under my eyes, and I'm going to take the shade Golden. This is enough sitting on my skin. This is enough. Okay. Now I'm about to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder and just set everything into place. Okay, y'all, so we looking real pasty. So I just did a quick little halo eye over here. So I'm about to blend out the concealer over here. I'm going to just do the same thing I did over here. So I'm taking this packer brush and I'm taking this shade right here. Like this deep burgundy shade right here. And that is called Jax. Right there. Like, just pack that in. Right? And just make it follow my crease. Now that we have that all down, I'm going to take this little smudger blending brush and take this shade right here called MFEO. We're going to take MFEO and just buff out the edges around it. Now I'm taking that gold shimmery shade that's called Queen. Y'all, this is really, what the fuck? Queen is very chunky. Y'all tell me like if y'all have the same problem with Queen. Now, we have both eyes done. Let me stop doing that. I'm going to take my LA Girl True Bronze face powder and just set the rest of my face, y'all. Because I did not do that and I forgot. I'm going to take my Morphe Bronzer palette. I'm going to take this shade in here. This shade is called Celebrunette or something like that. Cheeks. I was thinking like this might be too light for me, but no, this is pretty. And for bronzer today, I'm going to take the shade Vlogger. A little tan. I'm going to take the shade Celebrate on a angle brush, and I'm about to contour the shit out of my nose. for nose highlight today. Because y'all know, if y'all didn't know, because I'm not about to just expect y'all to know. So, if y'all didn't know, I nose highlight a different color than what I actually highlight. So, for nose highlight, I'm going to take Ethereal from my BH Cosmetics Destroyed palette. Do y'all see this? Palette fucking destroyed. And I'm about to just highlight my nose. I'm about to dust this powder off. Setting spray today, you guys. I'm going to take my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. It's my lotion, like a vino lotion. The coconut. Though, yeah, the cocoa butter. Yep. Okay, for highlight today, my Amrezy highlighter. It looks so much more blinding on this side. Now I feel like all we have to really do is lashes and lipstick. So yeah, I'm about to put on some lashes real quick, and now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to be trying the Benefits Bad Gal Bang mascara. I heard this mascara is literally so good. A lot of people like it. Some people don't like it. By the way, these lashes that I'm wearing are the lashes from Lash Addict on eBay. She gave me a good deal with these lashes. If you guys want to go check Lash Addict out, I will leave a link down below. She has very good deals on mink lashes. They get to you pretty fast. Like within a week, they get to you really fast. So I would say definitely check her out. But let's just go in with this mascara. Okay. I think this might be like a for real banger. Like a better mascara than the Benefit whatever roller lash to me. That is crazy. I'm going to use Pop Beauty X Victor Ramos collab. I'm going to use both. Now in my video I did kind of drag Z, but together they're pretty amazing. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to pop Z in the middle. And guys, that is pretty much it. Like, I pretty much tried everything that I needed to try in today's video, y'all. So, some things that I really enjoyed in this video would be the Morphe Contour Bronzer pieces of shit. Things, I really enjoyed them. They were pretty good. They're only $12, but they're small. I expected them to be bigger. Y'all, I'm about to put on the Milani Luminoso blush. I forgot to put on fucking blush, y'all. How am I going to try to tell y'all what I liked? I forgot to put on blush, y'all. Wow. Now I'm about to set my face for the final set with my Morphe Preference set. I really enjoy this setting spray. Like, this is a really good setting spray, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I did a little halo eye with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Lips, the Victor Ramos collab. They are very, very comfortable on the lips. And yeah, the ゚Editor foundation. Let's talk about the foundation first and then move on to the rest of the products that I tried out for the first time in this video. So first, I'm going to talk about the LANCOME foundation, y'all. I expected more from this foundation from the way people were talking about it last year. I really did expect way more, but I put 2 pumps on, dotted around as y'all saw, blended out with a sponge. Spoke with Sincerely Nico, and he told me it would be better to use a brush with this foundation to get more coverage. It is a very, very pretty and nice foundation, but I use a sponge, and I'm kind of used to using a sponge to blend out my foundation, this foundation is actually okay. Like, I had to put 2 pumps for my whole face, and then 2 pumps again on the sides of my face equally, and then 1 pump. So altogether, it was like 5 pumps just to get my desired full coverage look that I always love and I always go for. Which is like bad. Like, I should not have to put like maybe 3 pumps at the most to get my desired buildable coverage, but not that much. I should never, with a foundation, you should never have to use 5 pumps to get your desired look. It doesn't matter if it's with a sponge or not. My opinion, I'm sorry. The foundation, I feel like it's not worth the price. It's not. From the way it applied with the sponge, it is not worth the price. So, yeah, that's a nope. It's a nope for me. Yeah, it's not about, I don't like it. The Hangover, it's okay. It's not the best primer. Now, y'all know I love this. I will continue to use this. This is really good. This, it sprayed dots on my face, which I didn't like. I had to get rid of the dots. It took the powdery look away from my skin, which I actually, any setting spray could do that. But I think I'll just use that just to take the powdery look out of my makeup, not to actually set my face, honestly. To be honest, the smell smelled like some cheap cocoa butter lotion. Yeah, do we even have I think it has coconut something in it. Yeah, coconut. My dumb ass. Coconut water. That's why it smelled like coconut, but it smelled like cheap Aveeno cheap cocoa butter lotion. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So the bag gal. So that's, yeah, that spray is like for me, like I'll use it just to take the powdery look out of my face. That's about it. The Bad Girl Bang mascara. On my top lashes, I would not use this on my top lashes because it actually got mascara on my eyelashes, my strip lashes. And I don't like that, because it makes my strip lashes actually look and actually get dirtier faster. So I don't like that. I probably just use it on my bottom lashes, which I actually like. It made my bottom lashes look really good, and it's a small one. So I'll just use another mascara for my top lashes. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys, with me trying out some new products, some of my new foundation, mascaras, all that good stuff. It is now 2:26 in the morning, and I'm ready to go to bed, y'all. And tomorrow I have a day off, and I have a full day of being lazy and just being lazy. And yeah, so basically tonight, because it's Wednesday, so tonight I'm going to be filming another video for Friday. So I'm going to start filming videos at night, not during daytime, like on the nights of my day off, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. I will see you guys Friday.